So now we're ready to prep our keychain plate to be 3D printed. So we want to choose the export command that's in the upper right corner of the TinkerCAD interface. We want to include everything in this design. Of course, in this case, there's no other options, but sometimes there may be things that aren't all joined together where you would have shapes that are separate that you could choose individually. But in this case, everything in the design, and we're going to export it as an STL file. Sometimes you could export it as an OBJ, but for our example, we're going to stick to the STL file type. Keep in mind, for this example, I'm exporting the engraved version of our project. You can export the embossed version if you prefer. But once you click on the STL option, it's going to ask you where you want to export it to. I've predefined a 3D print subfolder for my prints. I'm just going to save it right into there. So if you successfully completed this project and exported your project for 3D printing, the next video tutorial will demonstrate how to import this into the 3D printing software.